Free
Welcome
trial.
to the Jeremy signs up for free trials on the internet show.
Oh my god, I fucking hate Canva.
Why are you making me think? This is just so irritating. What? Yes, I'm trying to try it out. That is why I'm clicking on the sparkles.
Trial has ended. Oh no.
Don't want yearly savings. New custom action.
Then for some reason you have to upgrade again.
Come on, Adalo, you're like killing my vibe.
Oh my god. Oh my god, bro.
Actually,
that's why.
We're the champions of imagination. There's nothing we can't do, making masterpieces together, me and you.
Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. This might be a little bit complicated, but maybe not. Let's see. So, do you know Magic the Gathering?
Yeah.
Cool. So I feel we should make some Magic the Gathering deck cards, but the theme of these cards are we're in the middle of a modern day post-apocalypse. So no mythical creatures, no fairies and all wizards and all that shit.
Just literally like Magic the Gathering, but with news articles in it.
Sure. Or I just mean like the characters on the cards will
whatever
be
is actually in the news for today and make it into a Magic the Gathering card.
Right. This isn't an idea at all. This is nothing. Like the characters will be like imagine you in a week after the apocalypse, you're downtrodden, you miss the internet, you're just trying to not eat rats. Who else? Like there'll be tech CEOs who've got no underpaid workers to boss around anymore, and they won't. So if we can try and get the format of a Magic the Gathering card with the stats and the description and the funky image, but it's like a modern day human who's just trying to make it in the apocalypse.
Okay, so when I'm thinking about this,
go on,
I don't think it's too much. Nothing is too much for AI, Georgia. AI is a revolution and can perform any task with precision and verve.
Oh god, shut the fuck up, Jeremy. I was going to offer it's too much to make not like a range of different cards, like a mixture of image and text, but more of what if we made a generator that could generate the cards? Mm-hmm. As in we'll make a prompt for text, for a few bits of text, I guess, and then we'll make a good stable prompt for images and be then all you have to do is type in make a Magic the Gathering card of a bus driver. What would he be doing? Or maybe that is too much.
Let me think for a sec. Well, I've been really wanting to try the new OpenAI model.
Oh, great.
GPT
good
4.0 lowercase o.
Lowercase o, because
make sure you always pronounce it with a lowercase. And so this, I think, would be really interesting to try with the full capabilities of the model. So something that people don't realize about this model is they released the text generation to us and they showcased some of the capabilities. But the reality is that in the next few months, the model is text and audio and imagery in, and then the same model is generating text and audio and imagery. Which is significant because in current ChatGPT, if you want to generate an image, the text is GPT-4 and the image is DALL-E 3, which is why you get these weird mismatches between the text and the imagery. So
what mismatches as in quality?
In quality, and also if you're then if you generate an image of here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's pause our show to shill for OpenAI, because why not?
They really don't have enough people shilling for them.
Yeah, really. Yeah, this needs to be my job because no one is talking about them. So in the current model of ChatGPT, if I go to Dolly, if I'm generate a cat, it's doing a bunch of stuff here. It takes my command. It rewrites the prompt into a longer prompt. We talked about this in a previous video. And then uses that longer prompt to generate the picture of the cat. Okay, nice cat. But then if I'm like, make the cat brown, GPT-4 is like doing one of two things, and I don't really know because I don't have access to their backend. But either it's just taking the prompt from this image and rewriting the prompt and then generating a new image, or it's using its vision capability to like describe this image on the back end and then write a prompt based on the image. Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
They would have already updated the model.
I was going to say, because you would never expect it to be, every time I've used this and I'm like, yeah, that, but just changes one thing, it's usually like, okay, here it is, and then it's completely fucking different.
Yeah,
but yeah, maybe they have already updated it, because this is what we need. This is what we want.
Okay, let's just dive right in. Generate an image in the style of a Magic the Gathering card with a sad tech CEO wandering through a landscape searching for workers. Searching for computers.
Where am I working?
We'll get edgier as we go.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard that thing, that analysis about wages in Europe after the Black Death? There's this interesting period after the Black Death where worker power grows substantially in Europe. Because there's just not a lot of people. And so if you are trying to hire people, they're just hard to find. And so each individual person is more valuable.
This is like very much in the style of Magic the Gathering.
Let's just say, show him wearing
already
a blue coat.
Oh yeah, good point.
I just want to see if this is the new model. Because if this does it,
well, you're in 4.0 now. Oh, so you're seeing if it's got that capability within it now. Because you're on 4.0. But oh no.
Kind of, maybe.
It's actually similar enough that it's not annoying.
It's very similar. I don't. So like previously, what is this sparkle?
That's it. You can change it retroactively. I think change the model retrospectively.
Maybe we got bamboozled by the cat. Okay, so the reason why I'm checking this is that being able to actually just take something that's in the same position. Here, I'll show you the model that I'm talking about here. So like this is in the blog release of GPT 4.0, which has a lot of stuff that they didn't talk about in the video announcement. So for instance, being able to do something like this, where you take like a concrete poem in the outer shape of the OpenAI logo composed of the word Omni, and then just tell it to take the same image and change the color. Yeah. This would have required hours of time using old AI generation capabilities. This would have required like a control net setup and stuff. But if they're actually just doing this in and out from the same model, that's super significant. Also being able, so they did, here, let's just test this one more time. I know this isn't really what the job that you gave me, but.
No, but I think it applies to what we're trying to do, because if we are, I'm guessing you're thinking if we've got like a thing that looks like a card and then we just want a different image but in the same card.
Yeah, totally. I just want to know what my tools can do here, which is, this is a little bit obscure. Let's just
we must know what the tools can do.
Yeah, what can I do?
What can I do? You said it could do anything, Jeremy. That's what you said.
Yeah, that's what I'm figuring out, is how much of anything it can
How
do.
much of anything?
Okay, I think this is the new model. I don't know why this still says Dolly. That's super weird. Someone should fix that.
Who the hell is in charge around here? Wow, it can also generate text pretty... No,
the text is pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good.
It's better than it was.
Yeah. Okay, let's try the next prompt that they have here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so the differences between this and DALL-E are that if we had done this in DALL-E, the reveal. If we did this in DALL-E, we would see pretty significantly different style. Each time you generate an image, the image is like pretty different, even if you're using exactly the same prompt. It's really hard to get like, strong consistency.
Yeah. Oh!
Okay. This is the new model.
Yeah, it is. That's basically it's basically the same style. They add like there's tiny differences.
Yeah, totally. Okay, good to know. How are we going to do this? So I think that the best thing to do, so what I'm trying to do first is get this to generate a template in next.js.
Ooh, okay.
that we can display. No, I don't want to go into next.js. I'm just going to have it generate the template for the HTML and JavaScript and CSS to display like the outline of a card that we can then like put the text into.
Okay.
And then I'm going to use a kind of like JavaScript playground called CodePen to try and display that. Okay.
Oh yeah.
So
I know CodePen.
Generate all the HTML, CSS.
Oh, Next.js is just a React framework. I see. Sorry. Yeah, got you.
Well, React is actually a library within JavaScript.
Yeah, no, I know. I was just I thought it was a an AI thing. Sorry, but it's not. It is. That's why you were like, I don't want to talk about that.
Well, I don't know. It depends how you define AI, Georgia.
Okay.
Gather all necessary code.
All necessary code.
All right, let's see how it does with this. Certainly. All right, so I'm gonna pop open CodePen.
I don't like how polite they are. I think I'm going to customize mine even further to be like, just call me a little bitch every time I ask you to do something, but still do it.
Yeah, like complain.
Here you go, you little bitch. Oh, I can't believe you asked me to do this. Like, yeah.
That'll be some nice Schadenfreude. It'll be nice to know that it's not enjoying it.
Yeah, I'm a sadist. What can I say?
You heard it here first, folks. Okay.
Ooh,
that's a good start.
Oh, that was very quick.
Then the CSS.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Hell yeah, CodePen. Oh yeah, this is good.
JavaScript.
And then the JavaScript.
Yeah.
Image URL, card title, card description. Okay, hang on. What does a Magic the Gathering card even look like?
Okay, I'm curious. Obviously, we could just look at the code, but why would we do that? Why don't we
code like some kind of
yeah.
Magic the Gathering.
I'm an AI expert. I am not.
I don't look at code.
Someone who looks at code.
I'm not a looking at code expert.
Yeah.
Robot hands.
When robot hands is played, draw 5 cards. We're gonna get there, Georgia. I'm gonna get you there. Just you wait.
Yeah, you better. I want my probably only 5 cards of a fake Magic the Gathering deck. What the hell is this? It's the worst robot hand I've ever seen.
Okay, here we go. All right, so this is
when robot hand is played, draw 5 cards.
That's pretty crazy that it did that on a 0 shot, just 3-sentence prompt.
Yeah.
Not that this looks like a Magic the Gathering card, so let's keep going.
No, it doesn't. But it's got like almost all the fields we need. So what are you saying? So we've got like the fields. Should we define what the actual fields are, and then we have to start generating what goes in each field, and then we've got it, or is that like? Because like right now we've got the title of it and the description, and we need a couple more bits.
Yeah, tell me what we need. Yeah, let's.
So
can you pull up
need.
Let's bring up a Magic the Gathering card.
I've got a couple here. If you just go to this link.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, title, type of thing, description, which includes some statty things and like modifiers, and then maybe a quote. But we can worry about the quote afterwards. And then there's the numbers. I forget what they mean. Like 2/2, 2/1.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, I know. Yeah, I don't actually know what they mean either. I always would just collect
it's like
the cards, and I
how
would
much
like
damage
we would just like do random stuff with them and never actually.
That's
play them.
cool. That's cool. Yeah,
It
like
kind of like looks AI generated already.
I know it has it so has the aesthetics of AI images from like the last couple of years, and I feel like that's partly why I wanted to do this, because I feel like it's like
It's
it would
almost
just
like
work. It would
AI
just
was
work.
trained on Magic the Gathering.
Yep.
No, that's not true. They only use publicly available data. They would never do that.
They would never do that.
Okay, here are some Magic the Gathering cards.
Oh yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Describe the fields and describe their
Fields maybe. Yeah, the
characteristics
attributes.
and then attributes. Why attributes instead of characteristics?
Because I feel like if you say characteristics, it'll be like this card shows a creature that's clearly very strong.
Ah, I see. Compare those attributes.
Card name, mana cost, card type, subtype. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah,
wait,
yeah.
it's got even more than I thought. Okay, yeah.
Oh, I didn't even. It already knew that I didn't even have to remember to tell it to.
Wow,
change
this
the
is
code.
cool.
It
Is
just
this
did it.
is this like? Do you think is that a 4.0 thing, or is that like?
I mean,
What
we
do you-
could have
what-
done this with this is something that would be possible with 4 or Claude. But what's different about it is the speed and
Yeah.
the and
Mana
the
cost, power,
capability.
toughness. Yeah. This
It's
is
like just
already
much faster
great.
and better.
It's so fast. Yeah. Card name, mana cost, card type, subtype. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah,
wait,
yeah.
it's got even more than I thought. Okay, yeah.
Oh, I didn't even. It already knew that I didn't even have to remember to tell it to.
Wow,
change
this
the
is
code.
cool.
It just did it.
Is this like? Do you think is that a 4.0 thing, or is that like?
I mean,
what
we
do you-
could have
what-
done this with this is something that would be possible with 4 or Claude. But what's different about it is the speed and
Yeah.
the and
Mana
the
cost, power,
capability.
toughness. Yeah. This
It's
is
like just
already
much faster
great.
and better.
It's so fast. Yeah. The it's like
All the
card name, mana cost. That's what that thing is. Whatever that fucking the thing where it's like air and fire and swamp and forest. If there's any like Magic the Gathering nerds watching this, they're gonna hate us because we don't know what we're talking about.
right. Apologies.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah, there's like the symbols at the top, so I remembered those, which is great. And then like
This is good. I mean,
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
I feel
power,
like
toughness, card name, mana cost. Oh yeah, great. Type, subtype, rules.
I feel like we get it.
Yeah,
I feel like we
that's
get it.
enough. That's enough stuff. I think it's repeated a couple of things. Oh no, it hasn't. Yeah, that's great. So now what do we do now? You sure or me? God, we're
Let's
just
just-
plowing
let's just-
through this.
Kevin, me, and you.
Then I think we will have time to try and do a more generative version of this.
Okay.
Deploying on Next.js and Vercel, which I think would be interesting for people to see just as like a little walkthrough.
When you say a more generative version, you mean like
Well, I just it's really, really time consuming and laborious to have to think of and and input all of these different fields. I would really press a button and have a Magic the Gathering card.
That's what I was hoping that we would do.
Great. Cool. Well, we're on the same page. Glad we're aligned. Glad we had this conversation.
Finally we're aligned.
Because this isn't generative. Like, this is like providing kind of like the layout.
No, yeah, this is just a kind of a Magic the Gathering card builder that you have to fit out yourself.
Yeah.
So how comes you're starting over?
The other one just wasn't good enough to, and it's like going to try and like keep some of the fields and things which we don't want anymore. And I don't know, like if I gave that to you and was like, make a generative Magic the Gathering web app, here's a template that doesn't look like a Magic the Gathering card, like, would that be, you'd be like, oh, originally I was going to make something that looked like a Magic the Gathering generator, but I guess you want it to look like this, and you would do it wrong. I mean, I don't mean to pigeonhole you, but I just think it would be more confusing than helpful.
No, I agree. That's cool. Yeah, just checking in. I've got a bunch of nerds.
How dare you question my prompt engineering?
Sorry, I won't do it again. It's not like this video needs to be followed along by a bunch of people.
Yeah.
You know, the 3 subscribers we have.
Okay, so before I do this, let me explain what I'm going to try and do. So,
okay.
Georgia, I just realized something, which is that watching me do this on Next.js is going to involve a lot of watching me debug AI-generated code on screen, which will be pretty boring. So
boring.
So I'm going to come back to this later, but for now, let's try some other things.
Yeah.
How's that sound?
Yeah, let's do this in a more.
I want instantaneous
video.
AI magic.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's just generate some silly, wacky bullshit. And if you want to off-camera write code like a nerd, then go for it. Go for it.
We're targeting the massive audience Venn diagram of nerds who like Magic the Gathering, but do not like coding in any form.
Exactly.
Let's start the free trial. Welcome to the Jeremy signs up for free trials on the internet show.
Yeah, one day I'm going to make a supercut of every time you sign into something and put your credit card details in. Then you'll get doxxed, and then we all would have learned a lesson. That's great. Oh my god, I fucking hate Canva. But let's see. I'm really looking forward to this.
Why do you hate Canva?
I don't know. I can't put my finger on it. I think it's just like.
No. I don't want to search. I want magic things. I want
it's
sparkles,
one of the magic
and
only.
I want branding that looks like Powerade flavored protein powder, so that I know I'm using AI. How would I know that it's AI if the colors aren't like saturation 1000 and
exactly
and some weird
blue to pink or purple gradient?
Why can't I just bang things into the computer and it appears?
Bang things in.
Magic design.
Try Magic Write. Try Magic Write. Oh no, brand voice. No, that's not right. That's not right at all.
That's why I'm here. I type it here in the search bar.
Yeah. Your face is really funny right now. I told you Canva is terrible.
Yeah, what is going on? Create a design?
It's like there are a million buttons and I don't know what any of them are. But create a design, is that right?
Okay, sparkles, thank you. Why are you making me think? This is just so irritating. Yes, I'm trying to try it out. That is why I'm clicking on the sparkles. Ugh.
you remember 2 minutes ago when I was like, I kind of hate Canva, and you were like, why? And I was like, I can't put my finger on it. And now I'm like, I remember this. I remember this feeling. This is too, Canva is too. I'll be surprised if this gets us anywhere, because like Canva is very, as you would put it, opinionated. It's kind of like, you mean, oh, okay, never mind. It's actually quite good. Because it's all like brand voice and like, this will be the perfect flyer for your business. And it's just like, no, we're not trying to do
Tech
anything
Titan
useful.
Trevor.
Mana cost 3 colorless, 1 blue, 1 black. 3 colorless, 1 blue, 1 black. Oh, okay. All right. It's expensive.
Tell me he's white without saying that he's white.
Man, yeah.
They're like, we don't want to say this directly,
colorless?
but Trevor has a high colorless rating.
Yeah, James is...
Great. Okay, so can I do an image now? With more sparkles.
Tech Titan Trevor. Indestructible until end of turn whenever you cast a spell with a mana value of 4 or greater. Cool. Flavor text. In a world shattered, technology remains the... Okay.
So then do I like add a image?
Can we generate an image? Oh yeah,
Yeah,
AI
generate,
image generator. There we go.
Okay.
Huh. I guess this is what we needed all along.
Well, it's still not, still not generative. Like, it'll just, we have to like
do it. Yeah. We have to like...
I have to make decisions. I have to
actually
choose things. I have to
things.
like actually have like desires.
Okay, what if we... desires, I can't wait to get rid of those. What if we go back into GPT-4 and make stable prompts and put them into Adalo. What's it called?
Adalo
Yeah, right.
doesn't meet your policies.
Oh, no.
Okay, here we go. Didn't like, maybe because it said destroy.
God. Oh. Very steampunk.
Yeah. So this is kind of...
That is not... He looks too confident and powerful and wizard-ish.
Yeah.
He's not the downtrodden tech guy from the...
Yeah, GPT-4o got what our vibe was.
Yeah,
Canva's
they knew.
like...
Canva's like, oh, you mean this lame thing? And we're like, no.
Oh, Canva's like, oh, you want Gatorade flavored protein powder? Here you go.
I'm gonna like, I don't know, I'm gonna have to somehow forge a brand partnership that will make Gatorade flavored protein powder for you so that you can feel, I guess that guy has like a kind of Bezos with hair looking deal.
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah.
It's okay. Like it. It's okay. Huh, it's trying to put the frame around it, I see.
It's asking me to animate it. Okay. Animate.
It's just begging to be animated, this thing. What the hell? Why do we... You're right, let's animate this horrific wall of text for no reason. That's so stupid! That's horrible! Okay. And soon you'll be able to buy this as an NFT on our NFT store.
So this is a screenshot of a Bitcoin wallet file I found in my hard drive from 2011, and it has exactly 2 transactions, 8 Bitcoins coming in, and then 8 Bitcoins going out, and I just really hope that whatever $486,000 thing I was buying was really worth it. Plot twist, it was not worth it. On August 16th, 2011, I purchased it, and on August 17th, I used it to buy something. So it was worth, I think, a little under $200 at the time for the 8 Bitcoins.
You fucking idiot. 8 Bitcoins now. Jesus.
No, it's okay. But I'm involved with more lucrative things now, like making AI Magic the Gathering cards, so who needs to worry about that?
We would not be here if you had sold the Bitcoin in 2020.
Right. I'd be doing something much
on
more
your private
serious
island.
with my life. Yeah. Let's do this kind of thing. This is how you could do this in Canva. Everyone,
If you wanted it to be terrible, you could do it in Canva. But if you want it to be good, you
right.
could
I'm
write
so
a stable
it's so
prompt
nice
or
that
two.
Canva does all of the hard
Yeah.
work of animating this for me.
It's also like, sorry, aren't you a design tool for people who aren't designers? Does that look designed to you? That looks fucking shit.
I mean, this clearly is very beautiful, but
What's wrong with you?
I mean, this is incredible.
It does look like Jeff
This
Bezos.
is-
Holy shit. It's horrible.
Ooh.
Whoa. His head is way too small for his body. But I guess that's Jeff.
Okay, so I'm gonna take our
Fictional story generator.
I'm gonna take our Adalo thing here. So I'm creating an app at Adalo. Adalo is a
Oh no, my trial has ended. Oh no, no. So it's no code tool. Take my damn money.
don't want yearly savings. Okay, so here's a generator.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if I can remember how to do this.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna create our prompt. So we're gonna create like a stable prompt. We're gonna create like a prompt that we can inject, or like what might be called a prompt template.
Yeah.
Where I can inject something into it.
So will this be for the text on the card?
Yeah.
Sweet. GPT-4. Oh.
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 Oh. Following is all the text for a
GPT-4.
Magic
for-
the Gathering card with the title CEO in the Apocalypse. Okay, cool.
Models really know Magic the Gathering, I feel like. There's never anything missing.
Yeah. I mean, clearly knows it better than we do.
Which means we cannot really verify whether it is accurate.
Right. How does this work again? The button. The button does everything.
All power to the button.
All power to the button.
In the future, you'll be able to just press one button and then, like, you know, a 4-bedroom house will generate.
If only.
That'd be cool. Or, like, maybe not push a button, but, you know, you get one of those, like, expanding sponge things. You just stick it on the ground, you add water, and it's like...
Okay, so what we're going to do is add a couple of actions here. Then we're going to go to new, add action, new custom action.
Then for some reason you have to upgrade again.
Yeah.
You are on starter, so why don't you go to starter? What? Oh man, all of these fucking pieces of sass are always giving us sass.
What's the deal here? What, do I need to go to Pro or something?
Push apps 1, publish that to...
Integrations. So we
But
need more new. Oh yeah.
Is a custom action is not an integration though.
Come on, Adalo, you're like killing my vibe.
Innit? Turns out this is just as boring as waiting for you to like debug some code. This is so dumb.
Seriously.
Does toast toast toast?
Does it though?
Does
Okay,
it?
great. All right, this is already set up. What's the deal? Is it Pro? All right, let's just try this.
What's the deal?
Just take all my money. We're gonna make so
take
much
it.
money off this video. It doesn't even matter.
Actually, doesn't even matter. Yeah.
Okay, looks like we need to go to Pro. All right, so this is a video about how to not use Adalo unless you want to spend a bunch of useless money.
Don't use Adalo, don't use Canva. I actually don't understand, like, what are you paying for? It feels like we tried to do one thing and it was just like, you still can't do that, upgrade. It's just like,
Yeah.
what are we paying for in the first instance? What did that even cover?
Yeah,
Crazy.
what is going on? Thank
Anyway.
you, everyone,
Thanks
for
so
your
much.
patience. Thank you, Georgia, for your patience.
Oh, you're welcome. I'm going to cut so much of this shit.
Okay, it's going to be a short video. So we actually do have a video of how to make a Adalo app from scratch,
Okay.
which we can include with this,
Yeah.
so that people
We'll put one of
can
those link
understand.
things up there, I guess.
Yeah. And then you too can spend $60
all your money
for some reason.
doing basically nothing.
Yeah, but they have like a free trial, so you will have Magic the Gathering for free for a limited time only. Okay, so then we're going to go into the button. So basically this button, when you click this button, a couple of things happen. Right now what happens is it generates a blog and an image. So let's just go in and make sure that this is all set up properly. Okay, so this is GPT 3.5 Turbo, which I don't want.
So we just like paste the JSON
Okay,
from.
so and please, Georgia, blur this.
Yeah.
API key.
Yeah. API key.
Or hopefully that's been canceled anyway.
Just
so
in
we're
case.
going to go in just in case.
Just in
And
case.
we're going to go into the platform. And we're going to create a new API key.
Which I'm also going to blur.
That you're also going to blur. All these are going to be blurred. It's going to be so great.
Blurry everything, nothing showing. Whoa, distraction.
Yeah, don't look. Actually,
Don't look.
blurring it's going to be hard for Georgia. So if everyone could just close their eyes while I do this.
Yeah,
Save
awkward
us some
thing.
time.
Awkward. I don't know how to blur stuff or like cover stuff.
We
up
talked
on
about how
Premiere, so,
technology is about trust. So if everyone could just
this is where
shut
you
their
should
eyes.
exercise that trust. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Like start closing your eyes now. Actually, you should have them closed already.
Done.
Anyway.
And then we're going to come and get the code for this GPT-4o.
GPT-4.
Oh,
Oh.
GPT-4o.
GPT-4. What? Oh.
Oh,
Jujitsu. The Matrix. How comes you only pasted that bit and not the whole... Oh, hang on. Oh, is it the same thing? Same temperature, same max tokens, same...
it should be the same. I'm just getting this set up, so let's run a test request.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay, test successful. Back. So let's come back in and grab our
stable prompt.
wonderful, tested, evaluated, well thought out prompt template.
Yep.
Where'd it go? Oh, I didn't save it.
Good job, buddy.
Blame. Just go like this. It's the only thing
Yeah,
I need, actually.
just that bit, right?
Don't even know why I'm typing this in ChatGPT.
So the yeah, actually, yeah. What the fuck's wrong with you? So the user prompt is like the title of the card.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's gonna be fun. Oh, hey, this is gonna be fun to use.
Glad someone's excited.
Like,
I'm excited too.
I just want to generate dumb playing cards that won't work in an actual game.
Okay, let's try this. Okay, great. Save custom action. That's great. Okay, and then we want to change the action again. Wait, where's the button? What the fuck?
Now where's the button gone? Oh, there it is.
And then let's
Whatever.
change the image generationator. So So we're gonna do this separately,
Yeah.
and then
Now we have
Dolly
to make
3
a
is still fine. Image
stable
input
prompt
in the style
for,
of
Magic the Gathering illustration.
Magic the. Wow, this is just so incredibly annoying. The way that this doesn't work.
I feel like every single web app we use in this series is the worst. What's happened?
You
What's
thought
happened?
it couldn't get worse, and then it deleted the button again. What the fucking fuck?
Wait, it's deleted my browser? Wait, my computer is crashing? Wait.
What is going on?
Never ends. Never ends.
What the heck? Why would I delete? This doesn't
Okay,
make any.
I can't
I'm
ask
sorry.
questions right now. No, you're fine.
Yeah, sorry, I'm focusing on some crazy stuff. Oh, what the flippin' flip?
Bro, you can swear.
What the fuck? Okay. I'll just say it quietly. What is going on? How is that possible? An image of in the style of the Magic the Gathering. Dude,
Illustration.
why? Actually,
Oh my god. Oh my god, bro.
Actually,
That's
why?
That's why you type it into something else and then you just paste it in there. Then that won't happen, I think.
Trying to actually
Oh my
what
god.
the
This is not
what
the
in
video I
God's
thought we
name?
were going to make today, but this is hilarious in a certain
Oh
way.
my gosh. This is excruciating.
Type it somewhere else and
No
paste
one
it
has
in.
ever experienced this level of difficulty in their work.
No one has ever. I'm not one to overreact, but no one in any conceivable dimension has ever been through so much hardship as Jeremy is going through now.
AI was
typing it-
supposed to bring me frictionless beauty and ease, and it's making me write something in a note editor and then copy it into a no-code tool. What is happening?
So much
This
friction.
is not what I
that
was promised.
I'm going red raw from friction here. It sounded kind of
Okay.
sexual. I didn't mean that to sound sexual. If it did, I'm sorry.
No one would interpret it in that way, Georgia.
Cool.
Oh my gosh. What are you talking about? Why is that?
Sorry. How is that not valid, Jason?
Quote,
Uh-huh.
quote,
Comma,
quote,
quote.
colon, quote, number.
Bro.
Why did it delete
What?
all of it? What?
Oh, finally.
Wow.
My God, that
was
was so
awful.
hard.
That's the
Guys,
worst
don't
thing
use
I've
don't
ever
use Adalo
experienced.
either. Apparently, why is it so fucking
this-
buggy? It's just like
Is this because I'm a tech CEO in the apocalypse, and so I'm literally experiencing what that feels like?
right? That's what this feels like. Do you know why we're like having trouble making these cards and relating to them? We're literally living it. We're living it. We're just like
Yeah.
something. This doesn't seem extreme enough. It's just like it just literally looks like my life. Like, just
Okay, so here, we're on track now. We have some something to work with here. Okay, so it's all kind of the different things are working. I want to make this actually look like a Magic the Gathering card. Wow. If I was feeling bad about having spent $50 on an Adalo upgrade, I can be reminded that someone else spent $1,000 on Gaia's Cradle Magic card.
that's cheap
Oh,
for
great.
Gaia's
Here's a-
Cradle.
It's just perfect.
It's a
Whatever
Guy
this is,
Fieri
it's
type on
perfect.
it. Jumbo whales.
It's actually a tech CEO on a Magic card.
Legendary creature, Wikipedian. Thinks highly of himself.
I just want to try and put the background of the card.
This is officially too much dragging and dropping of rectangles and not enough using of GPT-4. Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
Here's an example. Is the apocalypse stuff not in the stable prompt? Because these all need to look like they're in the apocalypse, sir.
Oh. No, I didn't. It just says in the
That's
style
okay.
of a... Yeah, our users are going to have to do some prompt engineering there. All right, well, including the background of the card here without editing is definitely what I would call like a complete failure.
Yeah, damn, like, this fucking sucks. I didn't know this would be so hard.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess we should keep, buying Magic the Gathering cards instead of trying to generate them.
That's crazy. Hey, look, cool. Why?
Hey, this is actually kind of all right.
Yeah, this is fine.
Okay, Adalo is not automatically rendering Markdown, which is like, what the hell? But
Just fucking render the markdown, bro.
yeah.
But yeah, what's the what are those numbers and letters in curly braces there? T and U and B and one. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do one little. We're gonna make this actually line up here, and then take this here. This is what you call.
This is Jeremy doing a design.
This is designing. This is designing, Georgia.
Yeah, why don't you just put that button in an
Okay,
even
put your
less
title
obvious
there,
place? Yeah,
and then we're
great.
gonna oh god, this is so.
I
bad,
can't believe
Georgia.
how bad this is. This is so funny how bad this is.
This is
I
just
feel
not
like
the world I was promised, Georgia.
it's good to have a bad one of these, I think, to demonstrate. I don't know what we're demonstrating. Fucking
I don't know. Were we demonstrating that I'm bad or that
do we
the
suck?
bot is bad? Is this my fault?
No, it is the robots that are wrong.
This is what's really.
Oh my god, I'm not even typing it in, and if I have to look at this one more time, I'm going to scream.
What the fuck? Okay, I don't know why I did this. That was a bad idea. Why did I go back in here?
Don't touch that. Yeah, don't touch that.
Okay.
Let's make some things.
Yeah, let's make some cards. Actually, why? When I shrink the app, does it just like go completely off center? What is going on here? Adalo, what are you doing? Why is this so bad? Okay, good. Okay, well, let's just summarize, Georgia. So with the incredible power of these new multimodal capabilities from OpenAI, we have been able to create this amazing Magic the Gathering automated generator. What's incredible is just how easy it was and how little it took from us, and that with just...
What are you talking about? It's
the
taken
press of a
so
button.
much from me. It's taken everything from me.
It's taken everything from us.
I have nothing
Okay.
left. I have no dignity. I have no energy. Wait, I have an idea. Jeremy, I have an idea.
make-
and I think
Oh, I thought we were going to make some
like
Magic the Gathering cards. Yeah, what's your...
Yeah, we are, but like I don't want us to think of the card types. What if you just like type into GPT-4
Okay.
the kind of like, hey, the apocalypse has happened. What kind of things would we be seeing around? Give me some examples, and then we'll just like stuff them in there. I don't know. We don't want depressing things like sad families trying to like hunt other families to eat. We want other stuff.
Yeah. The apocalypse happened, and we're looking for some funny but realistic things. Oh, by the way, we're making Magic the Gathering cards out of these. Oh, updated the memory. Good. Yeah. Please
Oh.
remember for all future tasks that I'm working on Magic the Gathering cards.
Mutant squirrels, shopping cart battles. Oh yeah, okay, cool. DIY robots.
I think shopping cart battles is a good start.
Shopping cart battles is good.
Set Shoppers of the Multiverse text box.
Cool.
At the beginning
But
of each player's
where's-
upkeep, that player assembles a shopping cart.
One-on-one colorless again.
When a
Colorless
shopping cart
construct.
creature you control deals combat damage.
That's actually quite
That's
good. I
great.
like that. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
I do
good.
like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Finally.
All right,
Finally,
shopping cart
things
battle.
are happening. It only took
Flavor text. In the
an
chaotic
hour and
aisles
40
of
minutes.
the multiverse market, only the swiftest and sharpest drivers prevail. Okay.
Okay. Are we saving these somewhere? Probably not.
Yeah, we're saving all of these, definitely. No, luckily GPT is remembering for us that we're always
Are
going
we-
to be working on Magic cards.
We love the gamer guilds. Cool.
Apocalypse Sport canned food connoisseurs. So that's a good one.
Library of the Last, a group of survivors turn an old library into. Okay.
It's not funny.
Rude.
Library of Survivors. That's pretty earnest, ChatGPT.
That's not fucking
Stop
funny.
it. Yeah. It's supposed to be weird and bad. In the simplest of canned meals.
Your image will appear here. Why are they glowing like
Okay.
that? That's really.
Gorilla.
They've embraced the power of canned food.
Yeah.
They're like, we don't
exciting.
care if we get botulism.
So brave. Whenever public gorilla art slatherers attacks, you may put an art counter on target land.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I know what land is. I play Magic the Gathering.
Yeah, lands.
Whoa, this
Whoa,
is trippy. Whoa,
detailed.
what? That's wild.
There's so many of them. Ooh, I like it. And there's like a fucking
But it's like
religious-
3D.
religious
It's like
deity
2D
looking
but
thing.
3D.
2D but
What the
3D.
heck? That's pretty cool, Georgia.
Yeah, that is. I like that
Yeah.
one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Finally. What else did the little guy give us?
These
Zombie stand-up comedy, DIY theme parks, petty resource wars, gamer guilds. Cool.
vegetable garden guards.
Yes. I want to see that. Yeah.
Community gardens are fiercely protected by overly serious garden gnomes
overly
that have booby
serious.
trapped with water balloons, rubber chickens, and brake alarms. Wow. ChatGPT
Oh no,
is
not a rubber
7-year-old.
chicken.
Yeah. ChatGPT's like, oh, you want funny? How about a rubber chicken?
Yeah. It's
No
like
one
funny,
can avoid laughing at that.
funny but not sad. It's like the only thing
Yeah.
I can think of is like, oh, what about a hand buzzer? Huh?
Oh, God.
This has been
It's
exhausting.
been really,
Oh my god!
really,
Usually
difficult.
by now we've made so many assets, and this. Oh, it even tried to do the yeah.
Yeah.
The description
Even
bit.
tried to do what we told it to for once.
Yeah, even fucking
Okay.
actually tried.
Community gardens are fiercely protected by... Okay, that's exactly what we said. Georgia, we're almost done here. So let's wrap up and give a review of what we did.
Oh god.
So we started with a glowing, very overly optimistic review by Jeremy of the future capabilities of GPT-4o. We then
Yeah.
had a pretty hopeful
Let's
start
just
with CodePen.
let's just remember. You
Let's
said it
just-
could do anything. That's what you said. That's what you
Yeah.
said.
So okay, let's we had a good start. This actually was pretty cool.
This was
This-
good. This was good.
This was good. This was a good start. Yeah. I think where we should have gone from here is creating a generator on Next.js. I think
I
would
think
have
we
gotten
actually
good results.
should have done it. Yeah, because
But instead,
instead we
Like
watched
an
you
idiot.
yell
I decided to
at
watch.
some-
Decided to try Canva. That was a bad idea.
Guys,
We
don't use
went through a
Canva.
sign-up flow. Although the animation was really beautiful.
Oh my god,
Wow.
have you ever seen anything so transformative? Sorry, here's something I've never wanted to do. Look at someone's flyer that they made and then press play on the flyer. Oh, your flyer can play? Oh, yeah, play. What the fuck? Like, what is that?
Thanks, Canva.
Yeah.
Then we went to Adalo, another no-code tool that's supposed to magically help us.
Somehow
And
even worse. Somehow even worse.
somehow they missed the memo that when I'm on Google Chrome and I'm typing into a text field, I would like when I'm typing in that text field to not automatically delete random portions of it. And particularly when it needs to be precisely valid JSON and a single space will disrupt the formatting.
Yeah.
It's not their fault. No one ever explained that to them.
It's like it was gaslighting you. It's like, you're like, okay, here's some JSON, and then it like deletes random bits for no reason, and it's like, that's not valid JSON. And it's just like,
yeah,
I know.
thank you. And then it created this beautiful, well-formatted preview for $50 that really just matches exactly what was in the original.
Guys, look how good this looks. For just $50, this could be yours. You know when no code apps just render Markdown without you telling them to? This didn't do that. This is fucking sick. God.
All right, Georgia. Thank you.
No,
And
thank
apologies. And I'm really looking forward to watching this 14-minute video.
We're the champions of